To my love, I cannot believe today has come. I feel like I have won. We have moved mountains to get here today. Each step was worth it. I spent the past few days thinking back on our special moments. I have felt all emotions leading up to this moment. For almost everyone, tomorrow will go fast. For me, the time will stand still as I will walk towards you. I'm excited, stressed, and nervous. I have butterflies and can't contain how I feel. I want to be near you, but I also want to be excited with how I will look. My lobster, and so the story begins.
I have loved every moment we have spent together. Our ups, our downs, our impromptu escapades, and our random trips to random places for food, art, or shopping. Our quiet moments laying next to each other. I cannot imagine sharing these special moments with anyone else. I love you so very much and cherish everything you are. Love your future husband, Nick.
Alissa, from now until forever, I promise that I will be the one here for you. I promise to make you laugh, smile, and cry. I will guide you through upcoming storms and be there when they are through. I promise to never clip your wings and to bring you back to earth when you need it. To you, my love, my lobster, Alissa, I vow to only be yours.
Nicholas, you are my world, my better half. I did not know I was incomplete until I found you. I can never make up for the years we missed, but I'll spend the rest of my life treasuring the time we have. I promise to be the reason for your smile. I promise to give you everything you never knew you wanted. I promise to face every challenge the future holds for us with you by my side. I promise to always be your home, to love you completely, without hesitation, forever and always.
Your love's all I need to get by in this life. And on this day, I promise you to give you mine. Yeah, I'm so in love with you. Don't know what to do. I'm so in love with you. And I know you love me too. Yeah.
Thanks to you, all of you, for taking the time to come here today to see Nick legally agree to keep me in the manner to which I've become accustomed to until he is dead.
So